Okay, so welcome back here. We've given the ceiling actually a few days to dry out, so it's completely dried out now. And now what we want to do is we want to shave down all the lines that were incurred by skimming. And this is a line right here. And these are typically the lines that you're going to get when you skim. And the lines are going to be bigger after the first coat than compared to after the second and third. So what we want to do is we just want to use our 4-inch taping blade here just to shave these down. Now this is a lot easier than trying to sand, because when you go to sand, you're creating dust, and that dust is going to stay on the surface, and then when you go to skim again, you're skimming on top of dust, and then you're going to get the air bubbles, and it's not going to stick. So we don't want to, you just want to sand after all the skimming is done. So your sanding is just going to be using your 4-inch blade to scrape away any high spots. So I'm going to put the light up here, and I'm just going to scrape these down there. Okay, and that is my sanding there. And now there's one over here, so we're going to come up here and scrape that away there. We'll come over here. There's one right here. Here, right over here. Okay, so again, that is how you're scraping there. So now, because the last time I started to skim from left to right there, you're gonna get the lines there. So on the second coat, we're going to switch it so that we're skimming from this way to that way. And that's going to take care of any lines. See, when you come up here, you can see the lines that are, see the lines go this way, like right there. The lines go that way. So to get rid of those lines, you have to skim perpendicular to your last coat. And so I'm going to skim like that, and that's going to fill in all those lines that go like that. So I'm going to turn this light off here, and I'm going to continue to scrape down the rest of the room, and then I'm going to vacuum up all the droppings that fall to the floor, and then we'll be back to start to skim coat with the second coat. So I'll see you on the next one.